likes on my last video and post on Instagram and on YouTube and on everything else. I am really surprised to see the response about the new hair and the whole look I came up with. It was a little overwhelming to see how quickly I was getting the like comments or likes from my followers on the fact I haven't been posting for a very long time. So it was still nice to see there are some loyal followers there who are still part of my journey and look forward for me to post still some stuff. So looking at the response from my previous post on Instagram and on my YouTube video, a lot of people asked me to do a video for showing how I curled my hair. This is my natural hair. I just washed them this morning, and you can see I have very long and very thick and very heavy hair, and this is how it is now. I do not like using blow dryers. I always let my hair dry like air dry, even if it's super cold or something. I prefer my hair to dry naturally kind of thing, because I already have a bit of frizzy hair. If I use blow dryer sometime, in some occasions I've noticed the frizz is even worse. So I don't know if it's something I'm doing wrong or if I'm not using the right product or the right blow dryer, but I prefer to use, well, I prefer when I dry my hair naturally, like let them. Okay, so we're gonna start with, I'm gonna show you all the products I used on my hair today before start doing the curl. So like how I prep my hair. So I washed my hair this morning. Now I will say to you, if you're gonna curl your hair, because they're gonna stay a couple of days like without any issues, they're gonna stay like that. So when you wash your hair next time, make sure you wash your hair properly. Like your hair should feel like feather light. That's how it should be, because you're gonna apply a few products again and you want to make sure when you wash your hair they come out properly. So that's just a tip. So I wash my hair, and the shampoo and the conditioner I always go back to, and my trustworthy, and like I am obsessed over that. I haven't changed my shampoo for a very long time here, and straight after washing it, shampoo and conditioning, I just put now this I found just by chance, but it seems to be really suiting my hair. So this is Marc Anthony True Professional 100% coconut oil and shea butter leave-in conditioner. As you can see, there it is. You can buy them, this is kind of like a drugstore product, so you can buy them at Shoppers, you can buy it at Save on Food, supermarket, wherever, but it's easily available. So this is not something which you will struggle. And the other day when I was at the when I was doing my grocery run, I just found the same brand, Marc Anthony, and I just find their curl enhancing styling foam for extra hold. Now I used this last time as well, and I noticed that it is pretty good. My curls just lasted for a whole week. Even after I oiled my hair, like put a lot of oil in my hair, the curls were still there. So you can tell how good this stuff is. So this is Marc Anthony extra hold curling foam. Brioego Don't Disappear Repair Strength Plus Moisture Leave-In Mask. So kind of like a leave-in conditioner, but it's a mask. As you can see, brush my hair. Now last time when I did curl my hair, I actually curled it in my bathroom, which I had, like I have a very big mirror in my bathroom, so it's so easy to do it. But I don't have a big mirror in my beauty room. I only got like this small one on my working area kind of thing, so I have to work with that. But the good thing is I can look it in the camera. Yay. So here we go. Going to brush my hair, and now I'm gonna show you guys first thing, like the first part how I did it. The remaining gonna be exactly same until we come to the front part. So so if I'll do it slowly, the first part so you can see, and the remaining would be most likely fast forward, and most likely would be a voiceover. So I'm just going to part my hair. Now when I was doing it other day, I noticed it's easier for me if I do small parts instead of big parts. It's just me. Let's begin. So I'm just going to part my hair in two sections. Brush this bit. And now I'm going to take a small strand. I've already turned my color on, so it's pretty hot by now. So I'm just going to open the thing. Well, you don't have to open it if you don't want to. Let's just try a different way. So I'm just going to twist it on the curler and keep it down. Now you can go as close to your skull or your scalp, but I just don't want to burn myself, because this happened to me last time as well. I burned myself and I was like, oh no. That's the first one. So now if you think at this point your end is not properly done, just twist it again and hold it. See, that's what I mean was when I was saying it's a very tedious job. It's gonna take me a very long time. So there we go, that's the first one. So I noticed the other day, I prefer them like not too thin, but not too thick either. Because if it's too thick, it's not gonna look nice. It's not gonna be the same effect. But if it's too thin, then a person like me will be sitting for at least 2-3 hours, good 2-3 hours, trying to curl their hair. So
take my hand and we'll go away to a different place, float on air and we'll hide away. I'll be your escape. Look up and feel.
part it, but depending how you like it. If you like more on your face, you can just put it more. If you like less, you can just put it less. So I kind of like not too much. My personal choice is a little bit behind my brow arch. So my brow arch is right here, so I just try to keep them right like this, so I still have some flicks going on, but I still have some, like, you can still see my face. It's not really covering my eyes or anything. So because I have a bit of, as I said, my hair is a little bit frizzy, I don't want these flybys, so I'm just gonna try to tame them down. And the things which are hard to tame is very small baby hair. So there we go. So I'm just gonna do that. And the things, as I said, which are really hard to tame is a small baby hair. So for those, I have a tip. You just take any bobby pin and I'm just going to pin them for now, so they kind of like I'm just gonna let them sit for a while so they go a bit flat instead of just short. But let me just go and put some makeup on, and then I'll show you the final look, so you can see how it looks with the whole makeup and everything. So I'll be back soon. So here we go, this is the completed look for tonight. So I'm just about to head out, hence the reason I have my jacket on, I got my clothes on and everything else. So this is the final look. As you can see, what I did since then is, after putting a makeup on, I just run my fingers a little bit more in my hair to give them a little bit more looseness. So just because they're super tight, so I just wanted to give them a little bit more, like more of a natural kind of thing. So instead of people thinking I actually did curl my hair, I just wanted to have the effect of natural curls. So this is kind of the final look. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions regarding this look, just leave them in the comment section below and I'm happy to answer. If you want any product recommendations, just let me know. Everything I used in today's look, I will be putting in the description box below. And hope you guys like this video, and I shall see you guys next time. Before you leave, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and people who are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for staying with the family, and thank you so much for keep watching. See ya. Mwah. Love you. Bye.